In this quick video, I'll show you how to replace the battery in your Chevy Tracker key fob. Replacing your battery at home is very easy to do. It doesn't take any special tools or knowledge to get it done. And the only things you'll need are a regular coin, a larger coin like a quarter will work best, and one CR2032 battery. I can get the whole thing done in under 5 minutes. The one tricky part might be finding one of these batteries. So if you're not sure where to get one or you don't have one lying around, make sure you go check out the link in the description. That first link will take you over to Amazon where you can find this particular battery for just a couple of bucks. Now, most of you out there that have the Tracker models between 99 and 2004 have a device that looks just like this, but it has just two buttons. It doesn't have this trunk button. The trunk button there. Doesn't matter if you have that version or the version I have here, the process is going to be exactly the same, so just follow along with me. The first step is just look down here on the bottom right of the device. You can see there's that slot that runs right along the seam in the plastic. Take your coin, insert it in there. Once it's stuck in there, just hold the device loosely and twist the coin, and this thing will snap right open very easily. From here, you can just reach under and pull the battery up. Or if you are having trouble with that, you can take something like a flathead screwdriver or a key or a pen or pencil. And what you want to do is look for this little indentation right there. You can see that dark area. That's just going to help us to get under the battery so that we can pry it out. So go ahead, dispose of your old battery. Take your new CR2032 battery, and when you're putting it in there, you want this positive side that has the plus on it to be facing down. So go ahead and just line that battery up. Push it down in there so that it sits flat. Again, positive side down. And all we need to do now is just click the two pieces back together. So go ahead and set the back on top of there. Make sure it is lined up and then just squeeze it back together and you are done. I hope that video helped you out, and if it did, you can let me know down in the comments or just by giving this video a like. And remember, if you ever need help with another one of your key fobs, you can come back here to this channel. We've got you covered with tutorials for the devices of almost every make and model out there. And you can also get that information directly over at our website, FobBattery.com.